Redi Tlhabi on losing her mentor Bob Mabena. The deep sadness is harder to bear. Award-winning radio personality Redi Tlhabi has opened up about the late Bob Mabena as a heartfelt reflection on Twitter. The sudden death of the veteran radio host on Monday, after suffering a cardiac arrest, shocked the nation. Redi shared with followers that the initial shock of her mentor's death had now made way for deep sadness. The shock of his sudden death has worn off. I actually prefer the shock because the deep sadness is harder to bear. What a man. He also called me by my full name, Redi Hunt. He was simply lovely, contemplative, and deeply spiritual. We will miss him. In a tribute this week, Redi reflected on the time she first met Bob, 21 years ago. She said Bob gave her big break working in the industry. It's such a long time ago. I hope that I'll be able to maintain the youthfulness and the zest for life that Bob was able to bring into space. It's hard to think that it was so long ago, because he was just so good at reinventing himself, said Redi. Bob gave attention. Bob gave us himself. Bob gave us feedback. Bob stayed interested in people.
Yeah.